In classrooms today, collaborative learning is essential, but technology doesn't always keep up. Many schools don't have enough devices for every child to work independently. That's why we created group working in To-Dos, a simple, powerful way for children to work together on one device while still getting individual recognition for their contribution. It encourages teamwork, boosts communication skills, and ensures every child gets the credit they deserve. Group working allows children who are sharing a device to collaborate on the same to-do. They work together on one file, and when it's saved, the work appears in each child's to-do, clearly labelled with every member of the group. To get started, teachers simply set a to-do as normal. Once the teacher is with the children in the classroom, they visit the to-dos area. On the to-do they've set, a new option is now available: Enable Group Working. Clicking this starts a 10-minute window. During this time, children log in, open the to-do, and choose how they want to work. Teachers can pause or restart this grouping window at any time. When a child opens the to-do, they're asked if they're working by themselves or others. I'm working by myself. I'm working in a group. If they choose to work alone, the to-do opens exactly as normal. And even then, if the grouping window is still active, they can switch to group mode later by clicking the Group Working button in the top bar. If they choose to work in a group, they're guided through choosing their teammates. Groups can include up to 6 children, and they can only select children that the to-do was set for. Once the group is formed, they work together. If children need to add or remove someone from their group, they simply click the Group Working button again. They can update the group themselves at any point. Teachers also have full control. In the To-Dos area, selecting More, then Manage Group Working opens a clear view of all groups and all members. From here, teachers can remove a child from a group, remove an entire group, or clear all groups so children can regroup. And anyone who is removed is still able to form a new group if needed. When the group saves their file, it's saved for every child in their group. Each child's version is clearly named with the full list of group members. Handing in works a little differently. Only the logged in child hands in their file. Others simply log in and hand in their own copy. Teachers can also force hand in if needed. In the To-Dos work area, teachers see a file for each child with the file name showing the full list of the children who work together. If a teacher sets a redo, it applies only to the individual child. Other group members are not automatically asked to redo the work. Children can choose whether to redo the task on their own or as a new group. To find out more, see the user guide.